Good morning, sir.
Morning, Amir.
So, tell the people what are we gonna do today?
Today we are going to Penticton for another property we have secured for our client. It's a great property, standalone building in Penticton near lake, and it's a national tenant, almost 7% cap rate. And we just wanted to make sure the property which we have secured for our clients is all good in there and no surprises later on before we remove the subjects. So that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be me, Amaya, Maria, and Deep. He's the new joining our team. He's also coming along with us. So as we go, we're going to show you our journey behind the scenes, how real estate works, and what we do behind the cameras.
Good morning.
Well, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, now for the camera, we have to be nice and talking nicely and professionally.
Please have protein bar, please.
No, bro, thank you.
Please.
नहीं भाई, आजो, चलिए अपा. चलो.
Let's go, buddy.
You know we Olympic.
Party.
I like I like hard-working, like-minded people. All about hard work and smart work. Dini, are you a fan of hard-working or smart working?
Why smart?
Smart.
Always smart work.
Be productive.
I think this trip is gonna be fun because of Deep is there. Yeah, I think he's very funny for the vlog as well.
That's why we're bringing him with us.
Like the content that's gonna come out of this, you and Maria will both have fun with him.
That's the reason we are taking him with us so that we can have some fun part also in there.
Just chill.
Just chill. Where's my Hindi songs?
Maria गाने लगा दे.
Where's
Play
your
the
phone?
songs there, Spotify.
You got Spotify now?
Yeah. I have it for many.
I know, but you always use your YouTube.
Yeah.
My market's slow, so we can put on YouTube Premium.
No. I paid annually, so it's fine for me. Market got slow this year.
Wow.
I paid it last
YouTube Premium?
Yep.
Wow, congratulations, $10 a month.
quarter.
Sing a song.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का अलवेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारो क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना Is it snowy there?
Yeah.
Snowy?
It's snowy there.
Snowy की दवाई?
It's snowy.
No, wait, no, you said Penticton is sunny. So he already knows it's going to be sunny there, not snowy.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking at snow right there.
But it's right there, right?
Where's snow? I don't see snow.
Over the mountain.
Over the mountains.
You know there's snow in the mountains even in summer? It's too right.
Radi down away.
गाना सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं ये गाना
Beautiful. Look at that.
Hey Josh, where are we today?
Maria, we are in Penticton.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were going to say something else.
Hey guys, my name is Jazz Oberoi. Today I'm standing in Penticton, and behind me, as you can see, is a landmark cinema. It's the only cinema in the town. I secured this property for my clients, which is close to 7% cap rate. If we go in the numbers, my client has to put $2.1 million as down. The rent coming from this property is almost $48,000 and the monthly mortgage payment is $36,000. So they are pocketing $11,000 cash in their pocket every month. And the best part, they still have almost 9 years of lease pending with this national tenant. If you are looking for similar kind of properties as a buyer, reach out to us. And if you're a seller, you don't have to list the property on market. Give us an exclusive rights and we can sell it off market in no time, because I have hundreds of buyers who are looking similar kind of properties. Anywhere you wanted to sell commercial, you know who to contact. Jazz Obroy Group, commercial and residential real estate experts.
टिकटन च मेरे पिछे लैंडमार्क सिनेमास सत श्री अकाल जी, मैं अज खड़ा पेटिंगटन च मेरे पिछे लैंडमार्क सिनेमास। मैनू बहुत ही ज़्यादा वधिया फील हो रहा है। दस दे एक मिनट, मेरे पिछे लैंडमार्क सिनेमास अगे की खड़ा है। सत श्री अकाल जी, मैं अज खड़ा पेटिंगटन च पेंटिंगटन सत श्री अकाल जी, मैं अज खड़ा पेटिंगटन च मेरे पिछे लैंडमार्क सिनेमास। ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं अपने बायर नूं दवाई है। इहदा कैप रेट 7% आ। 2032 तक ये प्रॉपर्टी लीस्ड आउट आ। ते सब तो वधिया गल, ये प्रॉपर्टी दी तुहाडा पॉजिटिव कैश फ्लो आ $11,000 दा। हाँ जी, तुसीं सही सुनिया, $11,000 दा पॉजिटिव कैश फ्लो आ। जेकर कि तुसीं BC विच इदां दी प्रॉपर्टी लभ रहे हो वधिया कैप रेट ते जिहदे विच वधिया पॉजिटिव कैश फ्लो भी होवे, मैनू अज ही संपर्क करो। जैज़ ओबरॉय ग्रुप, कमर्शियल ते रेसीडेंशियल रियल एस्टेट एक्सपर्ट्स।
I think this is literally your fault.
What?
Us finding a restaurant. We should have just listened to what Deep was saying yesterday. We should have had our picnic box ready to go. Yeah. Deep had this great idea. Oh yeah, let's take a picture. You want a picture? Okay, look at me now.
So see, even Deep is asking, I am asking. It's been more than an hour. All we are doing is taking circles here. She wants, just like every time, a specific restaurant which doesn't exist, and she wants us to eat there at the place which doesn't exist. I hope you understand what I mean is, like, I don't know what kind of a restaurant she wants it. Every restaurant we are going in, looking at the menu, she doesn't want to sit there. She doesn't want to sit there. This is a problem when you come with the Maria. I was going to say with the girls. I'm not going to say that. I will just be politically correct and I will say Maria. If you come with Maria, this is the problem. Look at her. She's not even looking back. There are me and Amaya. We've been tired, starving. Clients left around 12 noon, is 1:30 and we still can't finalize. First of all, she's sat in a car for good 15 to 20 minutes exploring all the restaurants of Penticton. Even the localite people who live in Penticton doesn't know how many restaurants are there, but this girl now knows everything.
This was much shorter than this.
Yes.
So this is the restaurant that I've been wanting to go for the past 2 times, but they only open at 5. So we can't go here. We're going to the next one.
Oh, so we literally
All
came
this, she find it out this restaurant is...
No, I'm
Not
telling
even-
you, this is the one I want to go. Remember last
So
time?
now where are we going?
Right here. Southern Beach House.
Thank
Oh, look how
you.
cute it is, don't you think?
Oh, beautiful.
Actually, look.
Yes, so you want us to wait for next 3 hours?
I wouldn't mind if we want to wait for 3 hours.
Celebrate at Salt.
Not than that. And I want to get like a rooftop.
So after more than 1 hour hustle, she find this restaurant, Celebrate at Salties. Salties is the restaurant. We're going to go at the rooftop and sit there. Let's see how good this restaurant is. Yeah, I have a question for you. Was not the restaurant which we sat last time when we came to Penticton was better?
No.
Just across to the Landmark Cinema.
black and
No, look at the view you get.
And somebody just
Complimented.
Maria
Yeah.
for her beautiful hairs. Yeah, and she's just showing off her hair now.
No, actually, I got 2 other compliments too when I was walking from the place to the car. You guys weren't with me because I was cold, so I ran fast.